Speak. Someone built a $4,200 per month business with free AI tools. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Here's what nobody tells you about how that actually works. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. The stack. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash. ChatGPT free, Claude free, Canva free, N8N, Notion. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Real income. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. But free is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. ChatGPT free. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash. 10 messages every 5 hours. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. I hit that wall 3 times in one afternoon. Mid project, you stop and wait. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Claude free gives you up to 100 messages a day and a 200,000 token context window. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. I've tried 12 tools in this space and nothing else on free even comes close. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Drop your biggest business problem into Claude right now. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Comment what happened. N8N self-hosted is where the real money is. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Autodraft client emails using AI. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Scrape competitor prices on a schedule. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Get a WhatsApp alert when prices change. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. 10,000 workflow runs. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash. 4 cents on a $5 VPS. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Zapier charges $49 for the exact same volume. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. I spent 2 weeks testing both side by side. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Canva's background remover is locked behind $12.99 per month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Real AI volume needs Claude Pro or ChatGPT plus $20 each. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. The VPS for N8N adds $5. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. True minimum spend. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash. $38 to $50 per month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Still worth it. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Just not free. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Quick breakdown of what each tool actually costs. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. The $4,200 income is real. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Upwork freelancers selling AI services are pulling $3,000 to $6,000 a month in 2026. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Start free. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Upgrade only when you're already making money. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. The free framing is the YouTube hook, not the honest advice. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. What service would you sell first? Drop it below. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Link in the description. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews / speak.